So hello everyone, this is the tutorial of linking your name in Morse code via Arduino Uno 33 IoT. So let me introduce you what we are doing today. We will explore how to use Arduino Nano 33 IoT to link your name in Morse code. By pushing a button as a trigger, we can create an interactive way to communicate through light signals. Join us as we dive into the world of Arduino and Morse code. So, what is Morse code? Basically, Morse code is a communication system that uses a combination of dots and dashes to represent letters, numbers, and symbols. It was developed by Samuel Morse and Alfred Vail in early 18, 1830s. Today, it is still used in various fields such as amateur radio and aviation. Understanding Morse code is essential for our project as we will be representing our name in Morse code only. So if you can check the previous slide, this is my name in Morse, which is just three dashes for O and two dashes for M. And in this slide, all the representation of different alphabets and numbers is shown in dots and dashes only. And this is the international procedure for Morse code. So the components required for this project are Arduino Nano 33 IoT, and we require a micro USB cable to connect it via with the laptop, and we also require a push button, and we will connect the push button to Arduino Nano via jumper cables using a breadboard. So in short steps, what we have to do is we have to download Arduino IDE, connect Arduino with ID. After downloading Arduino IDE, we have to go to Board Manager, then download SAMD Board Manager for Arduino IoT 33 for connecting Arduino Nano IoT with micro USB cable, and then we have to select the board, which is our Arduino IoT 33. Then we set up the push button on a breadboard and connect the push button via jumper cables, and the pins we will be using are D2 and GND. So this is the circuit diagram for our project. To set up the circuit, connect the push button with Arduino 33 as per the circuit diagram. Once the circuit is set up correctly, we can move on to the writing the code. So writing the code. Using Arduino IDE, we have to write a program that reads the state of push button and controls the blinking of built-in LED accordingly. We map each letter of our name or any name which will be input via serial monitor to the corresponding Morse code pattern. We have to implement the necessary logic to blink the LED with correct timing for each dot and dash. And then we have to upload the code via Arduino IDE to the Arduino board. So these are the code snippets. As you can see, I have created a LED variable which stores LED built-in of integer data type, as the built-in LED is on pin number 13, and I have used D2 pin, that's why I have created button pin of integer data type for D2. Then button state is false in the start, last button state is also false. Then I have implemented my logic for pin modes, and LED is built-in LED is my output, and button pin is my input, and the serial communication is happening on the baud rate of 9600, and the main loop function reads the current state of the button via digital read, and then it checks whether the button is pressed or not, and it saves the last current button state for next iteration. And I have then implemented some functions like read name from serial for reading the name from the serial monitor, and then I have implemented the logic for blink dot and blink dashes. Then I have created a procedure for every characters, which are 26 letters, and they will be blink according to the name inputted via the serial monitor. And if the there will be unsupported characters, there will be a certain delay for word gap, and it will just break. So thank you. I hope this video is informative to you all. Have a very nice day. As you can see, I have used RST, which is reset, and GND, which is for ground pin. And whenever I push this button, it is connected to RST, and after pressing it, the circuit got restarted, and the name will be displayed in the Morse code from the beginning itself.